Aloha, ho'o mai ka'i, kākou, ho'o mai ka'i, wahine ke ia, ho'o mai ka'i, kane ke ia, ho'o mai ka'i, na kai, na aina, na lani, mahalo yo e amene.
Well, babe, we made it. Even after all of the twists and turns, here's to the next chapter of our beautiful story.
I've been searching my whole life for...
I believe everything happens for a reason, so maybe we would have always ended up together, but the fact that we fell in love because I fell through a boat is the most literal and beautiful way to fall in love and to start our love story. Today, on our wedding day, with the blessings of our family and friends and the spirit of our lost loved ones, on this beautiful island of Kauai, standing in front of a freaking waterfall, surrounded by these wonderful people, I vow to honor you as my husband, just as I honored you as my friend and then my partner.
Every day I wake up in a dream. For the first time I can finally see
Jennifer, my ninja ballerina. We have been through so much just as friends and know so much about each other that when we decided to get together, I knew that this was it for me.
straight to
I want to grow old with you and share all the memories we possibly can. I promise to be the most dependable person in your life. I promise to always have your back no matter what. I love you, my ninja ballerina, and I thank God for bringing you into my life. You are such an amazing person with a beautiful soul. I love you.
By the power vested in me, state of Hawaii, and on the island of Kauai, I now pronounce you husband and wife!